Hi students, welcome to today's class. In the last class, we learned about remote sensing technology. Today, we will discuss about geographic information system. What is geographic information system? Geographic information system is a computer-based information management system by which the data collected from the sources of information like maps, aerial photographs, satellite imaginaries, tables, surveys, etc. are incorporated into the computer using softwares which are retrieved, analyzed, and displayed in the form of maps, tables, and graphs. All data analysis with geographic information system are done based on two kinds of data. They are spatial data and attributes. What is spatial data? Yes, each feature on the surface of the earth has a location of its own. Such feature of the earth's surface having a specific location are known as spatial data. Second one, attributes. The additional information about the characteristics of each spatial data on Earth's surface are called attributes. Let's see about layers. The thematic maps prepared and stored in geographic information system for analytical purpose are called layers. The spatial relationship among the features on the surface of the earth can easily be understood by analyzing the appropriate layers. Let's move to the next topic, analytical capabilities of geographic information system. The surface features of the earth collected as spatial data and attributes can be analyzed in various ways by the geographic information system. Network analysis, buffer analysis, and overlay analysis are the important analytical capabilities of geographic information system. First one, overlay analysis. Overlay analysis is used for understanding the mutual relationship among the various features on the Earth's surface and the periodic changes undergone by them. Overlay analysis is helpful in understanding the changes in the areas of crops, the changes in land use, etc. Next one, buffer analysis. Buffer analysis is used to collect information around a point feature or a parallel zone created aside a linear feature. The possibilities of network analysis can be used to find out the easiest and less congested roads from one place to another. Let's see about the use of geographic information system. By using geographic information system, we can compile data from different sources. Next one, update and incorporate data easily. Next one, we can conduct thematic studies. Represent geographic features spatially. And last one, prepare maps, tables, and graphs. Nowadays, satellite-based tracking systems are used for monitoring the location and movement of objects on the Earth's surface. It is used in several sectors like map making, transportation, etc. The most important among them is the Global Positioning System of United States of America. The global positioning system helps sensing the latitudinal and longitudinal location and elevation of objects on the earth surface along with the corresponding time. Let's conclude the topic. Today we learned about geographic information system, the analytical capabilities of geographic information system. Along with it, we learned about satellite based navigation system. Hope you all understood the topic. Meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.